everybody, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute butterfly. You can ask your parents to download and print a free coloring page with animals. The link in the description under the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel Nanny Julie. In this lesson we will need a neat paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. Our butterfly has a head, a thorax, abdomen, wings, antennae, and legs. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, thorax, abdomen, wings, antennae, and legs. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start right in the middle. We are gonna draw a circle for head. Go down, up, and connect it. Then let's draw an eyes, 2 dots. The first in the middle. Then let's draw a smile, U-shape in the middle. Then let's draw antenna. Then let's draw antennas. At the top of the head, we are gonna draw diagonal line, then a spiral. Repeat after me. Diagonal line and a spiral. And the same step on the right side. Diagonal line and a spiral. Okay, that's right. You're doing great. Then let's draw a thorax. Under the head, we're gonna draw a U-shape. U-shape. Then we're gonna draw abdomen. Another U-shape. Long U-shape. Oh, you're doing great. Then let's draw legs. 3 diagonal lines on the right side and oval at the ends. And the same thing on the left side. 3 diagonal lines and ovals at the ends. Oh, I like your lines! Now we're gonna draw wings. Draw a sideways U-shape on the left side. I start under the head and connect with the thorax on the left side. And the same thing on the right side. That's the way! I like the drawing! Now let's draw a U-shape on the left side. U-shape and the same thing on the right side. Okay. Now let's add some details. Draw another U-shape on the left side over here. The first and the second. Draw a 2 U-shape on the left side over here. The first and the second. And the same thing on the right side. The first and the second. Then let's add some circles inside this shape. And on the left side. Then let's add 2 lines over here. The first and the second, and the same thing on the right side. the first and the second. Then let's add some ovals over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's draw a heart over here. Upside down G shape on the left side and on the right side. Upside down G shape on the left side and on the right side. And let's add 5 lines over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, we did it! Good job! Your butterfly is so cute! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Patreon, or Facebook. Take me a photo, Nanny Julie art. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. The first step is tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I add a blush on the cheeks. Draw an oval under the eyes on the left side and on the right side. Then I will color the butterfly's body in all the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, pink for hearts, yellow for ovals, and circles. Black for legs, blue for this line, and on the right side. Then I choose blue for this part of butterfly. You can choose any color you like. Try to stay inside the lines. Then I choose red for this part of our butterfly. For this part. for this part. And I choose orange for this stripe. Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing butterfly. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Join my other videos YouTube channel Nanny Julie. See you. Bye bye.